This is a big thing that I realized. Instead of you working in the internet or on the internet works for you. Instead of me getting to know people in the offline world and connecting with them, yeah, I still do that, but it's in a more personal way, that in just in a intent in the business way. If people want to know my business, they just go in here in my podcast of the MLM and they will know how I build my business. Right? I don't have to explain it to them. You can just go there. You can just go here and watch the videos. Right? So instead of me getting stuck into traffic, spending time meeting people for the business, just to get a sale, just to get a membership, just to get a pay in, right? I'll have more time for myself. It protects my time to do the things that I want. Why? Because my videos and my online strategies build my business for me. Okay? Understand? Instead of you working on the internet, this is a big thing that I realized. Instead of you working in the internet or on the internet works for you. This is a big shift. Learn how can the internet work for you, not you work for the internet. Okay? Learn how the internet can work for you. That's a big shift. Think like a business owner. Guys, think like a business owner. That's the main key thing. Maybe I'll do an episode on a deeper level and more detailed on that. On why should you think like a business owner, right? So I want you to stay focused and be positive actually, and be productive. Find ways on how you can maximize your time to build your business, right? Guys, one key thing that I realized is doing content actually is it's in there. If I made a content and I put up in the internet, it's in there. It's in there forever. And it constantly working my business. It's constantly bringing me people that I want in my business. Right? It's constantly bringing people to my social media accounts. You understand? That's a big difference. Instead of me knowing people and approaching random people and get to know them, guys, the internet works for me. That's one key thing if you really think about.